Hey everybody. Looking at the video that I posted for you in the last module made me realize that it was kind of long-winded. So, how do we write our essay on the grit and growth mindset in Sherman Alexie and Malcolm X? Show me how it applies. Take the theory, apply it to the lives of these men. Use PIE, unpack it point by point, and show me how both these men's lives demonstrated the qualities of grit, growth mindset, and also you might want to take into account Cox's fear factors. They had to deal with a lot of them. How did they overcome them? That's it. That's the essence of it. Use a strong thesis statement. Drive home your point with evidence. Be sure to quote in illustrative ways from the theorists and from X and Alexie. Weave it all together. Show me, show your reader how grit, growth mindset, fixed mindset, fear factors played out in the lives of these two men. Okay, got it? Any questions? Give me a call. Okay. Good luck on your rough drafts.